Hello guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel Corex TV. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to claim your airdrop for the core DAO token that went live today. So I'll be basically showing you how to add the network address in your MetaMask wallet and also how to claim your airdrop for those of you that are eligible. So let's dive into it straight away. So the first thing you're going to do first of all is to go over to your MetaMask wallet and add the core DAO network to your MetaMask wallet. Now you need to do this so that you'll be able to copy the address and link it with your core DAO on their official mobile app. So as you can see, I've already gone to the Chrome extension to download the MetaMask wallet. That's the MetaMask wallet extension, of which is currently loading. Now, what I have to do now is I have to go after logging in, signing into my account, then I'll do the needful. But remember, as you are with me here, I would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up and also you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates just like this particular one. So it's loading. So when this finish loading, I'll go over straight to the custom network and add the core DAO network for the blockchain. Now the core DAO is actually a blockchain, a Web3 blockchain that was created to enable users to mine the coin, and when users mine this coin they are eligible to earn free money. That's what we call airdrop on the crypto space. Now you go to your settings. I'm in my network. You go to your network and you click on add network. Now you should have done this already by now. It's as simple as ABC. Remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up and also you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more notifications just like this one. So I don't know why it's taking some time. Yeah, here we are. So you scroll down and you click on add network manually. Now when you click on this, it's going to request for the network name. Now the network name is core mainnet. Why the RPC URL is https rpc.cordio.org. So this is the RPC. Then the chain ID is 1116. That's the chain ID. The currency symbol is core. Why the blockchain explorer is https okay / scan core dao.org. So you go through it one more time and be sure that everything is in order, and you click on save. So remember, when you click on save, you have automatically saved the core DAO address, that's network. So the next thing you're going to do is you go to the official core DAO website, of which I'm going to be dropping the link on the description box below. Now when you click on coredao.org, it takes you down to this page, and all you have to do is just you go over here and you click on airdrop. Remember, the airdrop you're clicking on, it will be the wallet address that you have actually linked with your with your MetaMask. So then you come over here, you see, choose country. What country are you currently resident of? You click on Nigeria. That's for me, I'm from Nigeria. For those of you from various other countries, you click on it as well. So you click on MetaMask, connect wallet, select a wallet to connect. You click on MetaMask and you click on connect. And when you click on this connect, it's going to try to execute the transaction. Remember, this transaction is one of the fastest that occur in the blockchain space. Now the core deal, they are actually promising scalability, security, and decentralization to all who uses their coin. And remember, this is the latest development, and this is also giving those miners out there who have been mining Pi for quite some time now, for about 2 years to 3 years, giving them hope that they will see light at the end of of the tunnel. So we're almost done. So remember, if you have not been mining your Pi, I would really appreciate or advise you, just take your mining serious. It doesn't really cost you much to mine. So as you can see, I'm about assessing it. So good. So when you do all these, total remaining to vest 0, available now to claim 0. So you can see that I was not really interested in in the core deal as of first, but then I was still able to secure some amount, of which I've already claimed. So when you have done, you will see an amount here and also here. You come over here and you click claim. So this is how you claim your core DAO from from your core Satoshi mining app. Remember, once again, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up, and also you would subscribe to our YouTube channel, Corex TV. Thank you and God bless.